Hello friends, I am so happy to make this video, to make this announcement. A lot of you guys have been asking for a yoga challenge, 30 days of yoga, and it's been something I've wanted to do for a long time, but as some of you may know, YouTube is just kind of like my side thing. I don't really make money from YouTube. I monetize, but that comes down to very little. It's not that as much money as you would think. My main source of income is my business, so my courses, my coaching, and then my partnerships with brands, and that is my full-time job. But I am making a little bit of a pivot in my business because yoga is truly my passion, and what is more of a passion for me and my purpose and what I truly believe that I'm here to do is cultivating community and helping people and teaching yoga and magic and helping people just, find themselves, find their magic, and love themselves, and do that in a community of support. So I wanted to put together this 30-day challenge and a yoga membership here on YouTube because I feel like it has everything, right? It's community, it's yoga, it's magic, it's accessible. Something I'm passionate about is accessibility, and what does that mean? That means bringing, yoga and magic and what I teach and all of these things to, making it free. That's why all my classes on YouTube are free, or making it very, very low price so it's accessible for people, and then also accessible to people in different bodies. So that's why I teach yoga in the way that I do, and just making it as accessible as possible. So what is basically going to happen is I'm turning 30 in March, so I figured we could do a 30-day yoga challenge in March, and it would be available to those in my YouTube membership. So I'm launching my YouTube membership, and then the first thing you're going to get as part of that membership is a 30-day yoga challenge in March. So a class every single day for the month of March. And then also there will be live yoga classes. You'll get first access to any classes I put out on YouTube. So whether it's my new moon and full moon classes, you'll get them early, or any classes that I drop, you'll get access to them early. I was thinking we'd also do maybe some live new moon and full moon workshops and yoga classes, live tarot readings, and then just live classes once a week. So if you're interested in that, what you're gonna do, I think it's right below the video, right next to the subscribe button, it says join. It also says it on my main page. You just press join. It's $9.99 a month. So less than $10, and you'll get access to all of those things and just be part of this wonderful community with me. And if you sign up, if you're able to do it, I appreciate you so much. If not, don't worry, I will continue to put out my new moon and full moon classes for free here on YouTube, as well as my other classes for free. I do have a ton of free resources. I have my free Facebook group that I post everything there. So if you're not in that free Facebook group, highly recommend joining. I post free content on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, this is just a way for me to, again, pivot my business and create a community and give the people what they want, I suppose. So I would love for you to join me, join us in this challenge. So like I said, just the basics, a yoga challenge for March, 30 days of yoga, a class for every single day in March for beginners, for those that have never done yoga before. This is going to take you from the basics. We're going to work through things like the elements, sun salutations, moon salutations, just different themes, and there'll be a class for every single day. We'll work on meditation, we'll work on breathing, breath work, all that jazz, and that is for the month of March if you sign up for the meditation. And then going forward, live classes, live tarot readings, early access to classes, and I think that's it. So I hope to see you there. Please drop any questions you have in the comments, and I'm just grateful for every single one of you, and I love my YouTube community. That's really why I'm doing this here on YouTube. I've had people mention like a Patreon or other things, but honestly, you guys on YouTube are the best, and I really appreciate you, and I wanted to bring this to you. So I hope to see you there, and yeah.